Ahsan residence by ground 1 in Dhaka, Bangladesh. The concept of home evokes within us a deep yearning for familial connection and meaningful interactions. Families in Bangladeshi communities come together over adda, which is one of their favorite pastimes. The tradition is so deeply rooted in Bengali culture that many residents are oblivious to it as a potential cultural treasure that might one day be lost within their families. Spaces that could offer these experiences and rekindle the family's sense of harmony and unity were in demand. To facilitate such experiences, the provision of an open terrace space within individual family houses holds great significance. Based on this concept, we placed the grandmother's bedroom on the first floor adjacent to an open terrace overlooking the pool and gardens, around a staggered room layout, which rendered it the family's favorite spot for interactions. These meticulous design choices serve to nurture the essence of home, where relationships are strengthened and love abounds. In light of the family's conservative nature, privacy emerged as a crucial concern. To address this, we have taken great care to create a screening mechanism along the peripheral grid of the building. This not only provides an added layer of privacy but also creates a visually stimulating play of light and shadow. The screen also facilitates a sense of visual connection that extends from the internal spaces to the outside world in a controlled and measured manner. With such thoughtful design choices, we have strived to create a harmonious balance between the family's need for privacy and their desire for a connection with the outside world. In a departure from the typical urban apartment design, we have incorporated wide and long terraces in this project. These terraces have been thoughtfully designed to include verdant green areas in a staggered way over the top of rooms, and include lush grass fields, which serve to create a tranquil ambience and a refreshing green barrier from the noise of the adjacent road. The strategic placement of these green spaces also creates a breathtaking view from both the rooms and the office spaces, creating a sense of connection with the natural world that is often lacking in urban environments. By prioritizing the incorporation of these aesthetically pleasing and functional features, we have sought to create a living space that is not only visually stunning but also conducive to a sense of calm and well-being. Local materials such as brick and concrete are predominantly used in the building. Nature has influenced the materiality of the residence. The trees, the sunlight, and the air all contribute to creating an effortless experience of positivity, with a flawless architectural and volumetric composition. Transcending conventional norms, the bedrooms have been designed spaciously with a terrace. The interior spaces are also thoughtfully designed where the open terraces are incorporated with functions. We strove towards simplicity of articulation and richness of spirit and endeavored for a space that embodied human emotions and sentiments rather than being an enclosure erected with building materials. The paradigm of togetherness and belonging was therefore set by this project.